My name is Darius. I'm a versatile painter specializing in the restoration enhancement of churches. I am versatile, a painter specializing in the restoration and enhancement, diverse range of techniques, decorative painting and wall murals, significant projects such as St. Joseph, a Roman Catholic church, where I contributed to the application of a gold leaf and other intricate artistic elements. I am committed to preserving the beauty and integrity of the secret spaces, delivering exponential results that honors the architectural and spiritual significance